Good morning, everyone. Dear students, as I had already shared a worksheet with you, so today we are going to revise the chapter 11, that is Internet Telephony, and we are going to discuss all the queries related to that and also discuss the worksheet related to that chapter. Okay. So here you can see on my screen now, I'm going to ask the question that is already there in the worksheet that I had shared with you. So the first question is, what is internet? You can raise your hand if you want to answer, or you may type your answer in my chat box also. Very good, Anjani. Yeah, that's correct. Good, Bani. What about others? Be quick to answer. So what is internet? Basically through internet, we can communicate with each other, right? We can do various things on the internet like playing online games, doing chatting and purchasing means shopping, right? So what is internet actually? It is a network of computer that is going to be connect all the computers globally. So what is internet? It is a global network of computers. Okay, good. Next, what are the various communication services on the internet? Communication services means that software which allow us to chat with our friends or relatives and then doing the voice calling and video calling also. So what are the various communication services which are available on the internet? Very nice. Good. Yeah, that's correct. Correct. Very good. Okay, yeah, that's correct. So the various communication services available are like Gtalk, Viber, Skype, WhatsApp, WeChat. Through all these communication services or software, we can communicate with our friends or family, right? So the next question is, what are the requirements for the Skype? As you know, we can use Skype as a communication service, right? So what are the basic requirements that we need to use the software to communicate through the Skype? Come on, be quick. Hey, you can tell about the equipments or the software that you are going to need while using the Skype. Very nice. Good, Akshima. Yeah, correct, Avni Vani. Yes, Mahek, Arish. Correct. Good, Anjani. Yes, that's correct, Akshima and Anmol. Very good. Okay, sure. Yes, Gurnoor, you can.
Ma'am, answer is internet connection, webcam, microphone and speakers,
Very nice.
and Skype software.
Very good, very good. So yes, these are the basic requirements that we need while using the Skype. So these are internet connection, webcam only when we need to do the video calling, okay? Then microphone and speakers or just one equipment, headphone in place of two, okay? Either microphone and speakers or headphones. Then we also need a Skype software. Very nice, beta. Then next question is, name the versions of the Skype software. So the first one I had already showed you, Skype for the Windows. So that you guys don't get confused in you need to write about the requirements or something else about the features. So here I had asked about the versions. For the various operating system, we need these. Okay. So what will be the difference between the versions and the features? Because you guys are getting confused last time in that. What are the features and what are the versions of the Skype? Good, that's correct. Who can elaborate this thing? Difference between both versions and features? Arish. Okay. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, if we have Windows software or Linux and Mac, there are, ma'am, different Skype softwares on which Skype can run for Mac, for Windows and Linux.
Very nice. And what about their features?
Ma'am, the features are the same in the three of them.
No, 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 no. The features are different here. The difference between the feature and the version. Anybody else can tell about this? If the question is about the features of the Skype, are you going to write the same points in that also? Anybody else wants to answer? Avni wants to answer? Okay. Yes, Avni, you may speak, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning.
Ma'am, features are the specialities of Skype, and the ma'am versions are the operating systems in which Skype software can be downloaded and can be used.
Okay, okay, fine. So basically features are what? The facilities that Skype is providing us. So what are the features that are providing by the Skype? Like we can do video calling. So it's a feature of Skype. We can do voice calling. This is also a feature of Skype. We can send the messages, right? This is a feature of the Skype. And we can share the files also. So all these are the features of the Skype. Now, what about the versions? Versions are that for which operating system we can use the Skype software. Like we are having, even in the mobile phone, we are having the different operating systems. Some are having the Android, some are also having the iOS, right? So in the similar way, Skype can also be installed or downloaded in the different operating systems. So these are the versions of the Skype that for which operating system we can download it, right? So let me show you this. Okay, so here you can see Skype for Windows, because here I had asked about the versions, right? So Skype for Windows, Skype for Mac, then Skype for Linux, and Skype for the Windows 10 also. This option is also available in the official website of the Skype. Now next is how to sign in the Skype account. How you can sign in the Skype account? If you need to sign in the Skype account, how you can do this? Come on, be quick. You can also raise your hand if you are not willing to type the answer in the chat box. You can raise your hand also. You're having both the options. How you can sign in the Skype account. Again, only Arish wants to give the answer. What about the others? Okay, Arish, yes, you may speak.
Ma'am, we can sign a Skype account by typing our username and password and by clicking sign.
Very nice, Arish. Very good, beta. All of you should learn from him. He is at least giving the answers. You should also raise your hand, give the answers. Participate, beta. Only then you are going to enjoy these revisions. Otherwise, it will become boring for you. So you must participate. Very good, Arish. Yes. So how you can sign in? You must type your username and password you are having for your account, right? Then you need to click on the sign in option. And then you can sign in your Skype account. Only these are the two steps. Then next one is how to add the contact in the Skype. Here you are getting confused because book में हमारे जो steps हैं वो थोड़े से different है. Reason जो book में software उन्होंने जब book publish हुई थी तब Skype का पुराना version था. But now जो हमने install करके देखा था that is the latest version of the Skype. So that is why option का name जो है वो change हो गया है, right? So don't get confused in that. अब जो हम latest के according ही करेंगे, ठीक है? जो हमने किया था discuss वही वाला रहना. You need to practice so the chapters thoroughly beta. You can't depend upon the revision worksheets only. Why? We had done the whole chapter now. You have to revise it. Very nice. Okay. So what will be the answer of this question? How to add a contact in the Skype? Okay. Yeah. Yes, beta. You should, okay. Trouble is saying, yes, beta, you should revise the worksheet as well as the book thoroughly. Okay, so to add the contacts in the Skype, you need to click on the contact button and then choose the new contact option. Okay, then you need to fill the details and click on save. Okay, so the basic steps, the tab steps are click on contact and then choose new contact option. Okay, then next we are having how to make a call in the Skype. How we can make a call in the Skype? What will be the steps to make a call, to call somebody in the Skype? Yes, Akul, can you answer this question? Yes, Akul. You can unmute yourself, beta. I had given the permission. You can unmute yourself. Akul? I think he's facing some problem. Anyways, let me give the chance to somebody else. Mehak? Mehak, do you know the answer of this question? Okay, okay, Akul. Yes, Mehak, do you know the answer of this question? How you can make a call, a voice call in the Skype? Punya wants to give. Yes, yes, Punya? Don't unmute your mic if you don't know the answer. Punya?
Contacts tab, video call button, call phone option. The call window will appear.
Okay. Do you need to choose the contact?
Yes, on the contacts information will open on the right side of the window,
Yeah.
and you have to.
Very good, Punya. You are correct, beta. So here you need to choose the contact first to whom you want to call. After that, click on the audio call button, and then you can make a call to the person through the Skype. Okay. Then how to sign out from the Skype account? अब हमने कॉल भी कर लिया, अब हमने स्काइप पूरा यूज भी कर लिया. Now how we can sign out through the Skype account? There's just very simple steps for this to sign out through the Skype account. What will be that? Okay. Yes, Harmanpal.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, to sign out from the Skype account, click on Skype tag and there click on sign out option.
Very nice, very nice. Either you can click on Skype tab and sign out option, or if it is not there, then you can choose the more button and click on the sign out option, because different versions are having the different options, right? So the option will be same sign out, but the tab may be different. Here it is more button. Okay. Yeah, correct, beta. Next is, what are protocols? All of you must give this answer because I think ये सबको आता है. What are the protocols? Yes, Anjani, that's correct, beta. Very good, Bani.
Ma'am, protocols are the rules that control the sending and receiving of the messages over the internet.
Very nice, very nice. Protocol are the rules, are the set of rules that are going to manage and control the sending as well as the receiving of the data over the network. Very nice, beta. Good. So the next one will be write any 3 communication services of the internet. This we had already discussed, right? So the communication services like Gtalk, Viber, Skype, WhatsApp, and WeChat, right? Then VoIP. We had discussed about VoIP. I had showed you the answer also. You can see voice is voice over internet protocol used for making the telephony call over the computer network. Can you tell me where we are using Skype in the real life? Here I had changed my question. Instead of asking just the definition, I'm asking where we are exactly using this protocol, VoIP protocol. Very good, Bani. We are also using it in the Zoom. Live classes हमारी हैं, so we are using it in the online classes, in the Skype, in the Zoom. We are using this protocol. Because of that protocol, we are able to communicate right now, right? So, very good, Herman. Okay. Then let's see the next question. What are the features of the Skype? Now here you need to tell about what are the things that is provided by the Skype, what we are going to do using Skype. What are the various things we can do using Skype? Right, that are the features. So what will be the features? Come on, be quick. Yes, what will be the features of the Skype? Yes, come on, raise your hand, be quick. Very nice. Avni has given this answer. Good, beta. Yes, correct, Anjani. Yes, Gurnoor Kaur Chawla wants to give. Okay. Yes, Gurnoor.
Ma'am, answer is used to send text messages and making audio calls.
Very good.
Offers free video calling between computers. Allows to share photos, videos, and other files.
Yes, that's correct. That's correct, beta. Very nice. Okay, so we can use it to send the text messages and making audio calls. It also offers a free video calling between the computers. And then it allows us to share the photos and videos and other files, right? Next is, how do you add contact to the list in the Skype? So this we had just discussed right now, contact, and then choose new contact option, right? So that will be the Skype to do the video conferencing with the different persons or the branch manager in the different cities or in the different countries, doesn't matter, right? So then we are having one more question. Rohit wants to call to his friends to interact by this using Skype. Suggest him the equipments that he would need it for this to make the calls on the internet. So first I had just displayed the internet connection, because if he wants to make the calls through the internet, then first thing he is requiring is internet connection, right? So what will be the other things that he would be requiring?
Phone or headphones and internet and the Skype app.
Very nice. Skype software. Yes, that's correct, beta. So these are the basic requirements he would be needing while using the Skype software. Good. So yes, now we are going to discuss the one words. So the company which is going to provide the communication services. Very nice. Very good. Yes, that's correct, beta. That is Microsoft. Microsoft is the company which is providing us this communication service, Skype. Next is, which is the communication service available on the internet? So you can take the name of any of the communication service that you are using, that you are knowing about. Okay. So all the communication services we had learned about, you can write the name of any of them. Yeah, that's correct, beta. Very nice, very nice. So here you are having Skype, Gtalk, Viber, WhatsApp, Zoom, or any other. Good. Then, which protocol converts the analog signal into the digital signal and digital data on the internet during the communication? Very good. Yes. This is the same protocol which is working behind all the communication services, right? Good. Very nice. Good, beta. Yeah, that's correct. It's VoIP protocol. Using VoIP protocol, we can convert the analog signal into the digital data. Then, which communication service on the internet works on the VoIP protocol. So here again, it is asked about the communication services. So you can write the name of any of the communication services. Very good, Anmol. Okay, yeah, that's correct. All of you are correct. So Skype, Zoom, WhatsApp, Viber, or any other, right? So next will be, what is the full form of VoIP? Here we are again and again talking about the VoIP. So here you need to tell about the full form of VoIP. Yes, what will be the full form of VoIP? Very nice. Yes, that's correct. Yeah, very good. So yes, that is voice over internet protocol. Good, beta. Next is, what do we call the global network of computer? It will be the term used for this purpose. Global network of computers. Good. Yes. Till now I had got so many answers, but still I want all of you to answer. Very good. Yeah, very nice, beta. That's correct. That is internet. Internet is the global network of the computers. Then what do we call the set of rules for the communication services that we are using on the internet? So we had learned about the set of rules, we had learned about that. So what is the term used to refer about this? Very good, very good. Yeah, that is the exact term we are using for it, for the set of rules for the communication, and that's protocol. Good. Now, next one is, which file is executed to install the Skype in the computer? So to install the Skype software in your computer, which is the file that we are going to execute? Yes, of course, that will be the exe file, but what will be the name of that exe file? Good. That's correct, Avni. Good. No, not that, Herman. No, beta, not that also, Gautam. Then let's ask the Avni. Avni, can you answer, beta?
Then Skype setup.exe.
Very good. Skype
Exe.
setup.exe. Yes, correct. Skype setup.exe. That is the file we need to be executed to install the Skype software in our computers. Not about the Zoom, beta. We are asking about the Skype. Okay. So it will be Skype setup.exe. Very nice. Then, which feature is used to confirm that text is generated by a person and not by a machine? Which feature we are using for this purpose? That we can recognize, okay, the person is there who is generating this text. There is no robot or there is no machine that is working behind. Very good. No, it's not OMR, Herman. Others are correct. Others answers are correct. Very nice. It's a code. What kind of code? What will the name of that code? That is going to confirm, okay, a person is generating this kind of text. Yes, that's correct, Anjani. Very nice, very nice. Good, beta. It's a Apache code, right? So using this code, we can easily recognize a person is recognizing this text, not a robot or not a machine. That's good. Okay. Next question is, which button is clicked to download the Skype software from its website? That means if we are going to open its official website, then which button we need to click to download that Skype software? Either it is for Windows or for Mac or for any other. Good. Here I'm not asking about the website. Here I'm asking about the button on the website that we are going to click. Good. Yes. Yes, that's correct. Downloads. Downloads button में हम जाते हैं, only then we will be getting that options. So here the button will be download button. Okay, using download button we will be getting other options like Skype for Windows, Skype for Mac, and through that we can download it, right? So the button will be download button. Okay, the next one will be which is the official website for the Skype. Now here you need to tell about the name of the website that is containing all the versions of the Skype. So which is that official website for the Skype? Good. Yeah, that's correct. Yes, Gautam, I want you to tell this answer to everybody, beta. Yes, Gautam, your answer is correct.
Ma'am, Skype.com.
Can you speak again? Can you speak again? Yes, Gautam.
www.skype.com.
Very nice, beta.
Ma'am, type कर दूं मैं answer.
You had already typed it in my chat box. Very nice, that's correct. www.skype.com. Good. This is the official website for the Skype software. From here, you can download the different versions of the Skype. Okay.